Tired of searching for legit online income? I found 3 data entry sites that actually pay to M-Pesa, and I have proof. First up, Microworkers. This platform connects you with simple data entry tasks from global clients. Payment proof? I've personally received over 5,000 shillings directly to M-Pesa within 48 hours. Number 2, Clickworker. They offer data validation and transcription work. The best part? Instant M-Pesa withdrawals with proof of payments reaching up to 10,000 shillings weekly. Third, Amazon Mechanical Turk with M-Pesa integration. Yes, you can now cash out your M-Turk earnings straight to M-Pesa. I've made over 15,000 shillings last month alone. Ready to start earning? Links in the description. Drop a comment if you want a detailed tutorial on each platform. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-making opportunities.